Hello everyone and good morning from Maldives. Once again, welcome to my channel Chalo Let's Go. As I have mentioned in my previous video, today I am going to show you in and around this Centara Grand Island Resort and Spa. I am going to start my day with the floating breakfast. When we booked the floating breakfast, we were asked to select the time and also the items that we want to have in the breakfast. So these are the things that we have opted for. Enjoying a floating breakfast in the private pool in a gorgeous Maldivian water villa was one of my dreams. And today, my dream came true. This floating breakfast was beyond delicious. Now it's time to explore the island. We are walking towards the main island. The Centara Grand is a small island resort with one buffet restaurant and two a la carte restaurants. The main restaurant where the buffet breakfast, lunch and dinner is served is called the Reef. Among the a la carte restaurant, one is San Bua, which is a Thai restaurant, and the other is Azzurri Mare, which is an Italian one. The island has its own medical center and also a fire station. This Azzurri Mare is situated next to the reception. The setting could not be more perfect because while eating lunch you could see the fishes swimming by and the overwater villas look beautiful from here. This is the club lounge and it is also a very good place to relax, but you have to do the reservation beforehand. There is also a water sports center where you could book various activities like the sunset fishing, diving, snorkeling, boat trip for whale watching, swimming with the turtle, sharks, stingrays and many more. And if you are looking for a spa, that is also available here. Now let's go to the other side of the island where we are having the coral bar and the reef restaurant. Every night lot of events takes place in this coral bar like the live music performance, karaoke and the fun games. Every evening in this coral bar, fish feeding takes place where you can see many sharks and stingrays. This coral bar is one of my favorite spot in this island. With every sip of our favorite drink, we can enjoy this amazing view. And if you are hungry, do not worry, you get delicious food here. Let's check out the other side of the island where the beach villas are located. It's time for sunset now, and I prefer to view the sunset from our pool. Apart from the normal buffet dinner, the island also facilitates the private dinners and also some special dinners. Today, we have opted for the seafood buffet dinner. The seafood buffet is mind-blowing and it's worth a try. After we select the items from here, then they grill it and then serve it at your table. After completing our dinner, now we are going to the coral bar.
Ladies and gentlemen, Mr. Trevor Jones.
That's all about this island, and now it's time to say goodbye. In my next video, I'm going to show you one of the local island in Maldives. So stay tuned in my channel for the upcoming Maldives video, and till then, goodbye and take care.